Introducing Samsung LC34 Curved LED Monitor. Forget about the inconvenience of dual monitors. With the 21:9 ultra-wide screen, you can experience truly seamless multitasking on a single monitor. For total flexibility, Samsung's picture-by-picture PBP function lets you connect two input sources using HDMI and DPI while maintaining the original image quality. And with picture-in-picture, you can resize the second image to cover up to 25% of the screen and position it anywhere. Samsung's 1500 dark curved screen, with the deepest curvature of all its competitors, is precision engineered to match the natural curvature of your eyes more closely than any other monitor. In a study conducted by the Department of Ophthalmology at Seoul National University Hospital, the deeper curve resulted in reduced eye strain among viewers compared to flat screens or other less curved monitors. With Samsung flicker-free technology and Eye Saver mode reducing fatigue-inducing blue light emissions, you simply can't get a more comfortable viewing experience. Ultra WQHD enables a screen resolution of 3440 by 1442.5 times the pixel density of Full HD that delivers razor-sharp images. The greater pixel density also creates a wider screen workspace, so you see more content at once without having to scroll and zoom excessively when surfing the web or viewing large files. Supporting up to 125% sRGB color space, Quantum Dot technology delivers not only more colors than conventional monitors, but colors that are brighter, crisper, and more natural, particularly reds and greens. Samsung's advanced VA panel technology minimizes light leakage across the entire screen right up to the corners and delivers a best-in-class 3000:1 contrast ratio for deep blacks. Dual 7-watt speakers embedded into the display let you enjoy videos, games, and online content without cluttering your desktop with auxiliary speakers or cables. It's one of the best curved monitor for you. To get one, check the Amazon link on video description.